Ever walked into a store and wondered, how do they manage everything so smoothly? From ringing up your items to tracking inventory, it's a complex dance. A big part of that smooth operation often comes down to their point-of-sale system, or POS. And if you're a business owner, you've probably heard of Lightspeed POS. But the burning question is, how much does Lightspeed POS actually cost? That's exactly what we're diving into today. Now, before we jump into numbers, let's understand why POS systems are so crucial and why Lightspeed is a popular choice. Imagine running a business without a POS. You'd be manually writing receipts, struggling to keep track of stock, and spending hours reconciling your finances. It's a recipe for chaos and, frankly, a recipe for lost revenue. A good POS system automates all of that. It streamlines operations, provides valuable data insights, and ultimately helps you grow your business. Lightspeed, in particular, is known for its user-friendly interface, robust features, and scalability. Whether you're a small boutique, a bustling restaurant, or a multi-location retail chain, Lightspeed likely has a plan that can fit your needs. But fit your needs also means fit your budget, right? So, let's get down to brass tacks. What's the price tag? Here's the thing about Lightspeed pricing. It's not a one-size-fits-all answer. They offer different plans tailored to various industries and business sizes. This is both good and a little bit tricky. Good because you can choose a plan that aligns with your specific requirements, but tricky because it means there's no single, simple answer to the how much question. To really understand the cost, we need to break down the different factors that influence Lightspeed's pricing. First and foremost, you have the subscription fee. This is your recurring monthly or annual cost for using the Lightspeed software. And this is where the different plans come into play. Lightspeed offers various tiers, each with different features and transaction limits. Think of it like buying a phone plan. You pay more for more data, more minutes, and so on. With Lightspeed, you pay more for more features, more registers, and potentially higher sales volumes. Now, within those different tiers, you'll find variations based on the specific industry you're in. Lightspeed has specialized POS systems for retail, restaurants, e-commerce, golf courses, and even cannabis dispensaries. Each of these industries has unique needs, and Lightspeed tailors its software and pricing accordingly. For example, a restaurant POS system might have features like table management and online ordering integration, which a retail POS system wouldn't necessarily need. These specialized features often influence the price. Beyond the subscription fee, you need to consider hardware costs. Lightspeed is a cloud-based system, which means the software itself lives online. But you still need hardware in your physical store, like a cash register, barcode scanner, receipt printer, and potentially a tablet or iPad to run the software. You can often purchase this hardware directly from Lightspeed, or you can sometimes use compatible third-party equipment. The cost of this hardware can vary significantly depending on your needs and preferences. Do you need a basic setup, or do you want all the bells and whistles? This will directly impact your initial investment. Another factor that influences the overall cost is payment processing. Lightspeed integrates with various payment processors, allowing you to accept credit and debit card payments from your customers. However, processing these payments comes with fees. These fees are typically a percentage of each transaction, plus a small flat fee per transaction. The exact rates will depend on the payment processor you choose and the type of cards your customers are using. It's crucial to factor these processing fees into your overall cost analysis, as they can add up significantly, especially for businesses with high sales volumes. Then, there's the cost of implementation and training. Getting your Lightspeed system up and running smoothly requires some setup and training. Lightspeed offers various onboarding options, from self-guided resources to personalized training sessions. Depending on the level of support you need, there might be additional costs associated with implementation and training. This is particularly important for larger businesses with complex workflows. Finally, don't forget about optional add-ons. Lightspeed offers a range of additional features and integrations that can enhance your POS system. These might include things like loyalty programs, advanced reporting, or integrations with other business software. These add-ons can be incredibly valuable, but they also come at an extra cost. So, While they're not essential, they're worth considering if they align with your business goals. So, as you can see, answering the question how much for Lightspeed POS is a bit like peeling an onion. There are layers to consider. You have the subscription fee, hardware costs, payment processing fees, implementation and training costs, and optional add-ons. Each of these layers contributes to the overall price tag. To get a precise answer for your specific business, the best approach is to visit the Lightspeed website and request a personalized quote. They have sales representatives who can walk you through the different plans and options and help you determine the best fit for your needs and budget. Don't hesitate to ask them lots of questions. They're there to help you make an informed decision. Don't just focus on the sticker price. Think about the value that Lightspeed brings to your business. How much time will it save you? How much will it improve your efficiency? How much will it help you increase sales? Sometimes, investing in a slightly more expensive POS system can actually save you money in the long run by streamlining your operations and boosting your bottom line. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.